So yeah, I'm not Mr. Beast and I tricked you, but I did want to show you the power of this little software called Journalist AI. Take a look at this. This is all 100% AI generated. Even the images, right? Even this one that looks extremely real, this is 100% AI generated. I mean, the whole text is, right? It gives you a featured image, interactive table of contents, proper structuring here, internal links linking out to other pages on our site, external links linking out to authoritative sources in the niche, in-article images, in-article videos that are relevant, not just to the article itself, but to the section they're included in. And down here, a call to action to, in this case, I'm not affiliated with these guys, but links out to these guys' sites so people can book a call and book a carding session on their site. So again, all this was generated with AI. And just click here with this button and post it straight to my WordPress site. I can do this one by one, or I can just go here and click post all to the integration. Essentially, Journalist AI is connected with my WordPress site. It's going to generate and it's going to post the content on autopilot. To do so, just go here to integrations, new integration, and just connect my WordPress. You can do Shopify, Ghost, Wix, Webflow, Bloggers, Zapier, and even an external API. Now, there's three more things here. We do automatic keyword research for you, which I'll show you in just a second here. We do automatic indexing, but the best thing here is the autoblog. If I go here, I can set up an autoblog, which I won't do right now, but I can select the frequency at which I want articles to be automatically generated and published to my site. I can do 300 every single month, weekday, every 12 hours, every 6 hours. Most people just do 5 every week, but essentially what you're doing here is you're connecting Journalist AI with your blog right here, and this is your blog. Let's say it's a WordPress site. Again, could be Shopify, could be Wix, could be whatever. And every single, in this case, week, Journalist AI is generating, plus it's publishing 5 articles, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's 5, to my blog. And if we expand on one of these articles, all of them are just like the one that I showed you, with a featured image, with a table of contents, with proper structuring, with in-article images, in-article videos, internal links, so linking out to other pages or other articles on our site. So these will interlink between each other in a way that makes sense, of course, right? If this article talks about cats, it's not going to link out to an article that talks about cars, right? So the interlinking, like where the link is placed, the anchor text that is chosen, the anchor text meaning the text that you click on that is interactive, that leads you to the link, the paragraph itself, all this is not placed randomly, right? It's placed in context with what the article is about. External links as well, so linking out to external authoritative sources. For example, if this article is about finance, we're going to link out to Investopedia, we're going to link out to TechCrunch, we're going to link out to Bloomberg. So we're going to link out to relevant sources in your niche. And also bullets, tables, and a call to action to your product or service, so a CTA. If you have a Shopify store, you can set this up to automatically do calls to action to your products. So super, super cool. Now, again, let me show you here the keyword research. So if you go here, just put in your URL, right? And essentially it goes out and takes in your URL, takes in your niche, takes in your competitors, and comes up with a list of keywords that have low difficulty, so that are easier to rank for, and decent search volume. So you can just select the ones you want, right, like so, and have journalists produce content for you. You can also set up an indexer, so the content that is published, it is indexed. So again, connecting Journalist AI with your blog does the keyword research for you, that's okay, does the content generation, does the content publishing, and then the indexing, all of these for you on autopilot. Super cool. You can also connect your brand. So the good thing about this is if you connect your brand right here, that's a brand, your brand has multiple assets associated with it, whether it's a YouTube channel, your actual website, for example, your company LinkedIn or our brand LinkedIn, your TikTok, your Twitter, some documents, some audio files, whatever it is, right? These are all your brand's assets, right? And by connecting your brand with journalists, so journalist now knows as much as you do as a founder, as an owner of the brand, it knows as much as you do about your brand. So the content that's going to be generated with Journalist AI is going to be brand tailored. It's not going to be just some generic AI content. It's going to be brand tailored. And it's pretty cool. Right? I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. Just go to generate articles. I'll leave a link for this in the description down below. But just go here. There's all these modes: simple mode, titles mode, keywords mode. It's pretty straightforward. Just select how many articles you want, select the language. You can produce content in over 150 different languages. So if you're targeting international markets, it's pretty cool. Portugal, Spain, I mean, any country in Europe, Asia, all around the world, right? Just give it a URL description and click generate. Or you can just go to titles mode, give it a couple titles, select the language, click generate, keywords mode. But the good one is this right here. It's the advanced mode. You just select create a preset, and there's all these 7 steps, which I'll run down real quick here. So the base one, again, selected generation mode, pretty cool. The brand, again, you can connect your brand to make the content more brand tailored with your brand tones of voice, with your brand's images, pretty cool. Content, Again, select the language, select the creativity levels. I mean, you can do creative or original, you can just do correct or factual. This will depend on how you want people to perceive your brand, how your brand comes across in its language. You can select the tone of voice, neutral, funny, informal, academic. You can even do clown voice, dog voice. You can do whatever you want. Again, I'll leave a link for this in the description so you can try it out for yourself. It's pretty cool. You can change the point of view as well. First person, plural, singular, second person, third person. I usually like to do this one, first person. You can also set up custom instructions, which I won't go over right now, but this gives you a little bit more freedom on the output of the article, which is pretty cool. Structure, this is where you can add your call to action. So like I said, on the article at the bottom, right, there's a call to action section. Again, this section in this paragraph that links out to your service, product, whatever it is that you're selling, isn't just random, right? It's placed in here in accordance to the whole context of the article, as well as the anchor text, again, the little text you click to go to the site. This all makes sense in the context of the paragraph, which makes sense in the context of the article as a whole. It's pretty cool, but the best way to do it is try it out. You can put the headings manually, or if you do this automatically, AI will generate all the headings. If you do it like one by one, you can set this up however you like. For example, one cool thing you can do is, again, if you leave this blank, AI will do all of them. But if you just do here, FAQ, right, all these ones, all these three that we don't generate, right, the AI will know because the H2 is an FAQ section, these will all be questions, again, that are relevant to the whole rest of the article, right? If you had leave this blank, you could do, maybe AI would do a conclusion here, maybe AI would do an opinion piece, I mean, whatever you want, right? If you do this, how to do X, right, these three H3s will be in accordance with this, right? So it's pretty cool. Try it out and for yourself. Then moving on to the final ones, internal linking. So this is essentially where you automate your linking. So again, just paste in here a sitemap URL, and all the articles you're going to post are going to have links linking out to other pages on your site or blog posts on your site that make sense in accordance to what the article is about. Same thing goes for external linking right here. So the external linking, just type this in, enabled, and we'll scrape the internet for relevant articles in your niche and language. So again, if your article is about dogs, you want to link out, we are going to automatically link out, if you enable this, to dog-related sources. Or you can add them manually if you like. So pretty cool. And finally, the fun part here is the images. Like I showed you before, you can do the AI images. These are insanely good. We have two models right here, Stable Diffusion and DALL-E 3. You can even add stock photos, Google License-free photos, or your own custom images. It's pretty cool. You can enable, of course, a featured image. You can enable in-article images. And finally here, the videos, if you just enable this, will read through the article, right? Read through the article, then go on YouTube and find what's the best video you can add in the article that's relevant to what the article is about and relevant to where the section in which we're including the video in. Pretty powerful, or you can do it manually if you like. Hit create new preset, go to generate articles, advanced mode, select the preset that you just generated, click generate, and there you go. Now, it's pretty simple, right? Again, you can, once these are done generating, you can just post them one by one to WordPress, or click here to post them all to your integration. Or if you set up an auto blog like I just showed you before, you can have journalists every single day, week, month, generating and posting content to your blog. And again, you can set up an indexer, and you can also set up the keyword generation. Pretty powerful. I know I tricked you with the thumbnail and title, but give this a go. I'll leave the link in the description also, and I'll leave it in the pinned comment down below. If you like it, let me know. If you don't like it, let me know as well, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.